Okay, so this is going to be a real quickie, but Blender actually has a little snow add-on that's built in. So to pull this up, you just press N on the keyboard, which brings up this panel over here, and you can see there's a real snow tab right here. And I want to add snow to the ground in this scene. But the thing is, I'm using photo scans, and these are really, really messy to work with. So to speed this up and make things easier for the real snow add-on, I am going to add in a plane and I'm just going to scale it up. So it basically just fills my camera view, something like this. And I'm just going to apply the snow to that. So this is going to go a lot faster than trying to add it to all this bumpy geometry. So you can see now we have this snow layer here, and it comes with a texture pre-applied to it in a material. So all you have to do is just kind of put it where you want it to be. So I want it to be a little higher, maybe somewhere up in here, or we could go like real deep. And you can see the more complicated geometry, the more it starts to get ridiculous. So if I try to add snow to this bench, it's going to do it gloppy and all weird. So if I was going to try and add snow to this, I would probably want to model a very, very low poly cube type object to go over this, which I'll do right now just to demonstrate. So if I was to take this into edit mode and just kind of make something that fit, let's delete everything that we don't need here and just bring it in like this. Doesn't need to be great, it just needs to kind of approximate where the bench is going to be so the snow has something to follow. Extrude this up and extrude it back like this. Now I'm going to add snow to this, and you can see it works now. So yeah, that is how I would add snow to a scene like this.